Hello students, today we are studying atoms and molecules. Atoms are the fundamental building blocks of everything around us, from the air we breathe to the chair you're sitting on. But who first thought about atoms? Interestingly, the concept of atoms was proposed thousands of years ago by Maharishi Kanad in India and later by Democritus in Greece. However, the real scientific study of atoms began in the 19th century with John Dalton. Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton proposed an important theory about atoms. His atomic theory stated that 1. All matter is made up of tiny, indivisible atoms. 2. Atoms of the same element are identical, but different from atoms of other elements. 3. Atoms combine in fixed ratios to form compounds. 4. Atoms cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Of course, today we know that atoms are not truly indivisible. They contain protons, neutrons, and electrons. But Dalton's ideas were a big step toward modern chemistry. What are molecules? Now, what happens when atoms combine? They form molecules. A molecule is a group of two or more atoms chemically bonded together. For example, water, H2O, is made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Similarly, oxygen gas, O2, is made of two oxygen atoms. Laws of chemical combination. Scientists also discovered important laws about how atoms combine. First law of conservation of mass. Matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. For example, when hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, the total mass before and after the reaction remains the same. Second law of constant proportions. A chemical compound always contains the same elements in a fixed ratio by mass. For example, water is always H2O, never H3O or HO2. Atomic symbols and molecular formulas. Every element has a unique chemical symbol. Some common ones are hydrogen equals H, oxygen equals O, carbon equals C, sodium equals Na from the Latin name natrium. Sometimes symbols don't match their English names because they come from Latin, like iron Fe from ferrum now. Let's look at molecular formulas, which tell us the number and type of atoms in a molecule. Water equals H2O, 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen. Carbon dioxide equals CO2, 1 carbon plus 2 oxygen. Ammonia equals NH3, 1 nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen. 3 hydrogen. Numerical problem. Let's solve a simple question. If one molecule of water has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, how many atoms are in 3 molecules of water? Each molecule has 3 atoms, 2H plus 1O. So in 3 molecules, the total number of atoms will be 3 times 3 equals 9 atoms. Conclusion. To summarize, today we learned atoms are the smallest building blocks of matter. Molecules form when atoms combine. Dalton's atomic theory laid the foundation of modern chemistry. Laws of chemical combination explain how elements react. Chemical symbols and formulas represent elements and compounds. For your homework, try writing the formulas of 5 common compounds. See you in the next class. Thank you for watching my video.